Welcome back. Ponda police have arrested a tempo driver, Deepak Kalangutkar, in Sanatan Ashram attack case. Some Musicians carrying Narkasur on a tempo tried to trespass the ashram and brutally assaulted few sadhaks. Injured Sanatan sadhak Suresh Kadam has been admitted in a hospicio. Kaule people protested at Ponda police station after two youth from village were summoned on Thursday. Kaule locals are demanding ban on Sanatan at Ramnathi.
आज आम्ही त्या व्हिकलचो ॲड्रेस ट्रेस आउट केलो आणि व्हिकल ट्रेस केली ती व्हिकल ट्रेस करून जो ड्रायव्हर असतो बाय नेम दीपक महादेव कलंगुटकर हो रेसिडेंस ऑफ सरावली ताका आम्ही आज अरेस्ट केला केसीन आणि ती व्हिकल अटॅच केल्या सो आता त्याचे आम्ही इंट्रोगेशन करतले आणि त्याच्या वयल्यान मागीर आनी कोण कोण इन्वॉल्व आहा ते आम्ही ट्रेस आउट करतले.
Surjit Mathur, one of the sadhak who was assaulted on Diwali morning, spoke to Prudent. He is at present admitted at hospicio.
काल जे आमच्या आश्रमाचेर हल्लो जालो साधारण 5:45 सुमार कोवळेच्या काही भुरग्यांनी आमच्या आश्रमाचेर हल्लो केलो आणि तेंच्यांनी गाडी आश्रमाच्या आवारान भितून घेवपाचो प्रयत्न करून तेंच्यांनी गाडी जबरदस्तीन भितून घेतली गाडी आणि तेंच्यांनी आमकां जबरदस्तीन गाडी भितून घेवन 4 जाणांचेर आमचेर मारहाण केली आमकां. Suresh Kadam admit kela.
Kavale people who gathered at Ponda police station have demanded ban on Sanatan Sanstha at Ramnathi. They are planning to submit a memorandum to CM. Vivek Prabhu for Prudent.
The mother of electronic music festival Tomorrowland has cleared that it has no plans of expansion in India. In its official website notice, Tomorrowland has totally discarded any plan of coming to Goa in recent future. Tourism Minister Deepak Kalangutkar had earlier claimed that Tomorrowland management had approached him for a fest in Goa during mid-January.
International level चे Tomorrowland ही जगा प्रसिद्ध जो म्युझिक शो हा पळय ते गोंयांत येवंक सोदता सामेर मिडल ऑफ द जानेवारी ते येवंक सोदता. तोय जर जालो जाल्यार इंटरनॅशनल लेवलचो टुमॉरोलँड वन ऑफ द बिगस्ट अप्रोच जाले तुमकां म्हाका अप्रोच जाल्या म्हाका स्वता येवन मेळ्ळें आसा. ते जर जालें जाल्यार जगांतलो व्हडल्यांतलो हो म्युझिक शो आमकां पळोवंक मेळटलो. तो केन्ना येता सादारणशे मे आमच्या जानेवारीच्या एंड मिडल.
This is what Tourism Minister Deepak Kalangutkar had said few days back, that too with much confidence. But Tomorrowland's official website has written off minister's claims. Tomorrowland's official website says it does not have any plans of making a debut in Goa or India, at least not in 2015. This brief note is to respect and salute the Indian Tomorrowland fans and media and to clarify that absolutely no decision has been made as to whether the next expansion of Tomorrowland will take place in India or in any other country in the world. Tomorrowland is always exploring possibilities and options, but in the immediate future, the full focus is on the first Brazilian edition in May 2015, next to the editions in Belgium and USA. Bureau Report, Prudent. And with this, we come to an end of this news bulletin. Keep watching Prudent. Goodbye.
तुम्ही पळयतात Prudent. You're watching Prudent.